Welcome to our channel Maths is Thinking Itself. In this video we learn about circles and its related terms. Now understand what is meant by circle. For that we have to consider a point on a plane and give the name as O. Now these are the points which are equidistant from point O. So when we collect such a points which are equidistant from the O, the figure is formed and such figure is known as circle. So in scientific language, the definition of circle is a circle is a collection of all those points in a plane that are at a given constant distance from a given fixed point in the plane. Now this is the fixed point and this fixed point is known as center of the circle. ये जो fixed point होता है इसे ही center of the circle कहा जाता है. So in the figure we clearly said O is the center of the circle. Now when we join this center point, that is O, with any point with this equidistance point, this line segment is formed and such line segment is known as radius. So radius means the constant distance from the center and is called the radius of the circle. Now we understand chord. So look at, we have taken any 2 points on the circle and we join this segment. Look at, अगर हम ये भी 2 पॉइंट लेते हैं या any other 2 points, तो लाइन सेगमेंट बन रही है. तो ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइन करती है जो पॉइंट्स है सर्कल के ऊपर जो हम देख पा रहे हैं, जिससे जिन कलेक्शन से सर्कल फिगर बनी है, तो ऐसे पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने में जो सेगमेंट बनती है हम उसे क्या कहते हैं, कॉर्ड कहते हैं. सो in scientific language, the chord is known as a line segment joining 2 points on a circle is called chord of the circle, and in the given figure we can clearly see that AB is the chord. Then next, the chord passing through the center. ये chord क्या center से pass हो रहा है. Diameter, a chord passing through the center of a circle is called the diameter of the circle, and a circle has an infinite number of diameters. CD is the diameter of the circle as shown in the figure. If the D is the diameter of the circle, then D is equal to 2R, where R is the radius of the circle. You clearly see that it is the radius and diameter is formed by the 2 times of it. Thank you student. I hope all of you understand these basic terms: circle, center, radius, chord and diameter. In the next video we learn about the next part, and in that we have covered the all basic terms.